Welcome to Flavor Town. Today I've got a super easy and delicious dish for you. It's a popular street food from southern Iran, simple to make and full of amazing flavor. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a tasty recipe. Alright, let's start by boiling our potatoes. Drop them into hot water and let them cook for about 40 minutes. We want them super soft and perfectly tender. Next, we'll finely chop our aromatics: garlic, onion, parsley, and chives. This will help blend all the flavors beautifully in the final dish. After boiling, let the potatoes cool slightly, then peel them using your preferred method: knife, hands, or peeler, whatever you're comfortable with. Alright, now it's time to mash those potatoes. Grab a fork, a masher, whatever you've got, and start smashing them until they're nice and smooth. We're looking for a soft, creamy texture with no big chunks left. Take your time, enjoy the process. This is where the magic begins. Start by melting some butter in a pan. Add the chopped onions and saute until they're soft and lightly golden. Then stir in the parsley and chives. Let that fresh aroma come through. Now it's time for the mashed potatoes. Add them in and mix everything together. Finally, season with salt, black pepper, paprika, turmeric, and a little chili powder for a gentle kick. Stir well until it all comes together into a creamy, flavorful mix. Now I'm going to show you 2 ways to wrap it: the classic triangle style and the fun roll-up. In Iran, the traditional way is the triangle fold, but honestly, the rolled one looks cooler and is just as tasty. Try both and see which one you like best. Traditionally, this dish is deep fried until it gets super crispy and golden, and yeah, that's the real deal. But to keep things a bit healthier, I popped a few of them into the oven just for myself. Still delicious, just with a lighter twist. If you're frying, make sure to cook both sides until they turn a beautiful golden color, crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. That's when you know they're perfect. And that's it from my kitchen to yours: simple, tasty, and full of love. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Your support keeps the oven warm and the recipes coming. See you next time with more delicious ideas.